Well, on today's episode, we are going to try and blow up this push mower. Yep, that is exactly what we're going to do. I just drained the oil out of this thing. It's whatever's in this drain bucket. It didn't look that good. It looks like it might have some water in it. This push mower, it's pretty much on its last limb. I can see it pumping smoke and oil outside the breather. Blade is completely dull. Deck is about to fall apart. Wheels. Just got it running, pulled it out of the back shed, and put some brake clean to her, cleaned the carb, and figured I'd do a video on blowing it up. What we're gonna put in it for oil, we're not gonna run it dry, guys. We're gonna put a little bit. I got some like 50-year-old Valvoline 2-cycle. I got some antifreeze that I found in an old 70s Kawasaki snowmobile, and I got some old like 70s 2-stroke oil from the Kawasaki snowmobile as well. So we're gonna put just the bare minimum of these three in there, and we'll see how that goes. So I'm gonna get the lids off these, and I'll show you guys how much we're gonna put in. Alright guys, so here's that Valvoline outboard oil. We're gonna put just a splash of it in there. Okay, just a little bit, just a gurgle, and then we'll put the cover back on that, and then we'll put a little bit of this 2-stroke oil in here that God knows how old it is. It is open. Smell it. Oh my God, it smells terrible. Just gonna put a gargle of that in there. That's enough. And just put a little bit of that antifreeze in there, because I know bottom end bearings love antifreeze, guys. We all know that. So gonna go ahead and crack this open. Looks pretty nasty. I mean, it's still green, but I'm sure it's past its due. So we'll put a little bit of that. Oh, that's a good gurgle. So I think we're gonna call this the mystery concoction. Some mystery oils, because God knows how old they are. We're gonna go ahead and put the dipstick back in it, and I'll try to get this thing fired up, and we're gonna let it run and see how long it'll run. It runs kind of rough and it hunts a little bit, but it's good enough to blow it up. I will start recording when we get this thing fired up. Okay guys, we got it fired up. I got my safety glasses on just in case the old block tries to come out and bite me. Got the mystery oils. We're just gonna let it run. We'll see what happens. There's bare minimal oil in there, and we'll just kind of keep you updated. I'll stop recording every once in a while here. I don't want to let you guys watch 10 minutes of it idling, so we'll see how she goes. We'll know when she starts to go, because she'll start making some weird noises. But as of right now, she's running good. It was pretty warm before I started the video too. I just tried to run it, so. If she's taking too long, I'll just take a little bit of sand and we'll just chuck it in the intake. That'll speed up the process, no doubt. It's been running for about, I don't know, 2 minutes or so now, and nothing really noticeably changing. We'll keep you posted. It did start to shake a little bit, but I think that's just how it is. Nothing major happening yet, so we'll check back in when I see something else happen. So I turned up the throttle and I let her hunt a little bit. She's starting to pump some smoke out the breather tube there. Maybe this hunting will get the connecting rod to start to bend maybe or something, I don't know. I'm sure those metal parts got to get angry eventually. There ain't much lubrication in there. Turn it down a little bit. Revved up. Just smoking good out of that crankcase breather tube there, but nothing really scary happening yet. I'm kind of disappointed. Maybe I should have put less oil in, but I didn't think I put that much in. And here, that's what came out. It was almost drained out. Wasn't much left in the tank, in the crankcase. Got a little bit of sun though. Don't worry guys, I'm running it with the garage door open, so I won't get killed by the carbon monoxide. Here's what she looks like, boys. She's just chuffing out oil. Still running. boy. You guys are wondering how much crankcase flow by is. The little dipstick's just gonna about to blow off there, so I'm just gonna throw a little bit of dirt in there. I'm sure it loves that. That's just great. Just dousing it in oil. I'm gonna try to plug off the crankcase breather with this bolt. See if that does anything. Maybe keep the hot vapors inside, maybe that'll blow it up. I don't know. Still running, guys. Uh-oh. Running on gas. Uh-oh, running low on gas. Whew. We're running low on gas, boys. Managed to fill her up though, so we're good. Still running. It's like the more sand and dirt. Got knocked, boys. Uh-oh. 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 Something's gonna happen. Started knocking. Stabilize the idle a little bit. I heard a knock, boys and girls, if you're watching. Something's about to happen. Uh-oh. Starting to hunt pretty bad. Maybe put a little too much dirt in it. Oh. Uh-oh. Did it seize? No? I'm gonna try to get it restarted. I don't know what the heck it is. I put a little bit too much dirt in the intake, I believe. I did a little bit of brake clean and she started back up, so still running. Trying everything, guys. Trying to tip it on its side, forward, back. I did put a stone down the oil fill and a lot more dirt down the oil intake, so we'll see if that helps. Uh-oh. Something happened. I heard a weird noise. I heard some noises. She almost wanted to die. Wanted to die there. One tough engine, that's for sure. Oh, something just happened. It still wants to run. It just died. I couldn't catch it on video, guys. I'm gonna try to restart it. Started back up again. I don't know why it just like completely shut off without warning. It just died. So keep her moving. Alright guys, this thing has been running for like 40 minutes now and it still has not died. I'm just going to end the video. This will be part 1. We'll resume in a different day. As you can see, it was sunny when we started and it's actually getting dark now. It's been running that long. So we'll pick it up in another video. I'll let it sit, shut it down.